Hey guys, it is Gaming Avalanche here, and the last time that I did a video, I accidentally ended it early by accidentally clicking the record button again. So basically it stopped it. Anyway, we're back on Clash of Clans, and now we're doing a bit more of the actual thing. The collector can only store a small amount. The collector can only store a small amount of elixir. Let's not click that record button. The storage is going to go there. That's good. I'm going to go and collect some elixir at the time. Is there any other thing? We also need a safe place to store our gold reserves. Why do you need a safe place to store your gold reserves? So then they don't get stolen. But if you put them right out in the open like I am, they will. You know what, while this is going on, once I've done the tutorial, guys, I'm going to actually move all the things as close as possible. Sorry guys, that sound just got too loud. Chief, we need an army to fight those goblins. Let's build the barracks. Okay, stay enclosed. I'm just going to try my best to keep all my things enclosed, guys, because it's just, I just want to. What else can I sing while I'm waiting for this? What? Oh my god, I only have 6. No, I'm waiting for those swimming train. No, you're not gonna let me do this. Guess I'm doing this now. We grab me money. I'm gonna die. Guys, I failed. Failed you all. I'm sorry. Ah! Excuse me, game, but I haven't got 5. I've got blooming 4. So the arch tower's already got. Come on, Wizardum. Yes. Yes, man. Naughty Wizardum. Guys, do not think that I forgot that I'm on a filming video, because I did not. Gemstone's probably going to be calling me soon. We can do another video of her then. It's going to have to be on Cubic Castles, or, you know what, yeah, it's only going to have to be on Cubic Castles then. My name is on keyboard. Wait, did I just get a notification? I'll check in a minute. Guys, you'll be surprised, but it's only been 5 minutes and almost 15 seconds. Good job, we can know. Okay, I'll click that when I want the challenges. Actually, I get 2 gems for that. But now you're telling me that, been 10 stars on the campaign. I've won 6 so far. I bet you can get up to 12, so then I'm able to get, you know. Break the cannon! Break the cannon! Break the cannon, men! Come on, men! Break the cannon! Yeah, you broke everything. Apart from the walls because you got. They can't even break the walls. That's the worst part. Plus, it's dumb. How come they can't break walls but they can break cannons? Oh no. Okay, there we go, guys. Just getting that amount. We're on 7 minutes. I can barely see it because of that one blooming little sign. Why do I keep saying blooming? I'm 1 elixir away. Give me that elixir. Never mind, no I'm not. I have 70 more elixir to collect. So then I can get that. Probably like, what? I can see you guys just going, what? What are you on about? When I am not too sure what's peeking through that door. And guys, you know exactly who I love. It is you guys. But don't forget me family. I can't forget me family. One builder is asleep. I will not use green gems. Wait, what? 3? Oh, what does that boat allow me to do? If you guys know, please comment. It's strange. The boat is strangely placed. Actually, 10,000? No. They join a clan to make allies. See reinforcements and possible. No, I'm not gonna get 10,000 anytime soon. First gems spent of the day, apart from, you know, previous when I had to. anyway. Now I can store 4,000. Great. Perfect. Upgrade. Upgrade. Yes, 2 builders now out. Now guys, now's your chance to sleep. Hi. When I am not too sure, I'm speaking through that door. What's the purple crystal again? Click on that. Oh, just crystal. I know, because that purple crystal on that guy is the same as that. I swear there was one called Creepy. I need 400 trophies. How do I get trophies again? Wasn't it from... Oh yeah, killing other players. Come on guys, let's see how fast this comes in. What? I'm gonna wait for the upwalk to come in and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's 10. Every 10 seconds I get a coin. That's kind of good, but really bad. And I am not too sure. Speaking. What? Oh, got a notification, guys. You know what, guys? I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Next video of this, I'll probably be attacking another player. And thank you all for watching. Bye.